We recently set up a new bed frame, and with that, we needed a new mattress. So today, we're setting up and testing out a new queen-sized mattress from Sleepmax. This 14-inch hybrid mattress promises a hotel-quality sleep experience with extra lumbar and hip support. Let's see if it delivers. This mattress comes shipped to your door, rolled up inside of a box to make setup easy. Just cut open the box and slide out the mattress. Inside, you can find some safety blades to help cut open your mattress. Remove the outer plastic wrap and unroll your mattress. Then you can use the safety blades to cut the inner layer and remove that as well. Then the mattress quickly inflates and takes shape. But you do need to wait a few days for it to fully expand. Then you're ready to make the bed and give it a test. This mattress is a hybrid. It features multiple layers of foam for pressure relief and a sturdy bottom support system with reinforced pocket springs. The memory foam layer contours to your body, providing pressure relief, while the inner spring coils offer support and bounce. Speaking of, this mattress is designed to reduce motion transfer, which is great for couples. Personally, I'm used to a more firm mattress without inner springs, but I've been sleeping really well on this mattress. I haven't been waking up sore and feeling rested when I get up. It's really comfy. I sleep on my side and stomach, and it's hard to find a good mattress that supports my way of sleeping. With this mattress, you can really see how much contour it has. When I put all my weight in one spot, it's quite squishy. But when you lay flat, your weight displaces, and it contours and cradles you nicely. Overall, I'm really impressed with this mattress and have no complaints. It's affordable, and I'm sleeping great. So if you're looking to improve your sleep as well, this mattress from Sleepmax might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go relax and watch some TV before bed. See ya.